Guys, you need to see that this is so beautiful. Good morning, Stacey Ways here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe, and to all my return subbies, welcome back. So we're gonna jump straight into this video. Let's go. So today's my appointment for my dental, I should say my orthodontist. We're going inside now. See you soon. Now we're finally here. We gotta speak soft because we're not alone. I've worn it day in, day out.
That's it. But that's the unfortunate thing. You know, teeth are going to try to just. I wish they wouldn't. I wish when I finished and left, I'm like, okay, let me just set it right there. But it don't work so early. It's bone, and bone changes, and bone things move, and you don't need the drama. So, I think that's sleeping and doing everything. Why do you get people to follow you? Ah.
And we're all set.
You're all set. So listen. Here's what you do.
Top and a sweatpants with a cap, and we're going outside because tomorrow is Mother's Day and Stacy's doing brunch, and I should take the fruits as such. So I am going to the supermarket to get some fresh fruits. So let's go. Guys, you need to see that this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Prosperity, blessings, and peace. What you to do these stuff? Be honest. No, me.
What? Yeah. You?
I am the one who. I am the one who taught her. This is beautiful. So we're setting up for Mother's Day brunch, and Stacy, this is her idea. Say hi, Stacy. She's over here. She's pissed as hell because she's super.
Make sure y'all support the business when they get big, okay, guys?
Isn't this beautiful? OMG. This is the finish. And it's so
around here.
It's so stunning.
It's
Go inside and take this ready. Everybody ready.
Stacey did an awesome job. This is so gorgeous. And we are ready to have her a little fun and nice time. Stacey, you did a great job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so this is my little part that I set up. I'm a foodie, so the food is
You can't mix it with a cranberry juice. It's supposed to be mimosa, but I'm not.
So we're here and the girl just graduated. Grad Girl 2020. This is a second setup for the beautiful grad girl. Isn't this gorgeous? Yummy, look at this delicious chicken. Oh my god. Okay.
Waiting. I'm slow right now. Oh, I know you. You know me. You understand what you're saying. I'm following you.
Where's my eyebrow? I have eyebrow. Why my eyebrow look like this? Here is my black opal. So guys, listen pack. I hope you know that black opal is still trending. And so I went and I got some stuff. Usually back like maybe a couple years ago, I usually use these, the stick ones. And so I said, let me try them back because I wanted to just switch it up. And so I have two shades. I have the nutmeg. Nutmeg is the one that I used to. Also, I never tried the Yes Bunny before. So I'm going to blend both of them together, a combination. And also, these were like $3. So I go ahead and I grab two. One for my shade and I just a random one. Ultra Matte Foundation Powder. And, this one is the... what shade? Yeah, this was the 400 medium and this one is the light medium. So I do believe the 400 medium, no, the light medium will work. Because for some reason the 400 medium I thought it would be a little darker, but the light medium is, and honestly they look the same. So that's it. I'm about to drink my coconut water. Hey everyone, we're almost ready to take off. We have like a couple minutes left. I came in like a ninja. Take a shower. See you guys in the morning. We're on our way to Juici Patties. We we're going to try it. Well, not try because we used to it or whatever it is. We're going to get ourselves some patties as I mentioned before. We're just strolling through the beautiful, warm, tropical. And when I get there, I'll show you guys what we get. Okay? See you soon. We have some patties here, yes.
Turn left. Then turn left.
Is in Juici Patties going large? It's in the United States. Time to eat the delicious patties. So this is round 2. It's so good I have to eat that. Oh, look at top here, cutie. These top are cute. I need to get me 2. $5. Oh my god, these are kid size. I can't. Small. These are for kids. Oh, them ones like an adult size. I like that shade. I would definitely get that one for myself. But they are for kids. $10, $12.